Hello, hello. I'm so excited about meeting you. No, you have never probably met me before. Some of you all are on my email list, and I have met you, and I am so excited. And then the others that have not, but you are out there every single time that I put an email out. You are reading, you're responding, all of those different things. And let me say, I am so humbled and I'm so honored that you take the time to do that. But you know what? I just released another email that you are going to be reading right now, or you may have just jumped to this video. But let me tell you, today I heard the word certainly. Yeah, certainly. I got that today. You know, the other day I heard the word from Frozen 2. I'm like, wow, I haven't seen the movie Frozen 2. My grandson, he listened to that song, but it came up again and it said, show yourself. You see, I wrote that out there and the lyrics were simply powerful. Words are powerful. Words get us where we need to go. And today, like I said this morning, I heard the word certainly. So I grabbed my phone, I looked at that, and it's a formal word for yes. And I'm like, okay, I'm thinking it was going to be something really big or something exciting, but it's a formal word for yes. And you know what? We are more than conquerors. We can conquer things through our certainly, through our yeses. And you know what? Let me make it a little more plain. You know, if your boss or your supervisor calls you into your office and say, hey, or you see them at the vending machine, hey, are you going to be here tomorrow? You say certainly with no hesitation, no pause. And you know what? I've done the same thing, so that's not a bad thing. But it comes down to this. Think about this. We give our certainly and we put pause on certainly when we shouldn't. Let me say that again. We put pause on our certainlys with an S, not really a word, but we put our pause on certainlys that we should not. And you know what? We do that when we're afraid to really leap into bigger and to better things. We will stand and we will watch other individuals leap. We will see them jump. We will see them do all of the marvelous things. And we sit back and we wonder and we keep our mastermind ideals in our head and in our heart. And you know what? Me, I'm an educator of 34 years. I simply love education. Education was good to me. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I thought about, okay, what am I going to do with all of the knowledge? So I did a prayer funnel. I was supposed to do that. I wrote a book, an ebook, a planner, colors. I was supposed to do that. Those were mastermind ideas that I was supposed to really release into individuals' lives. But you know what? I thought, wow, I'm holding all of this knowledge as an educator, as a consultant, as a grant writer, learning to build and develop websites. And then most amazing is helping individuals write strategic and action plans. Let me go there. Strategic and action plans. And I used to say this to my teachers. If it's not written, it is not being done. Let me say that again. If it's not written, it is not being done. And that's usually kind of how we do our lives. My intention is to write things down. My intention is to follow through. But sometimes if we don't have a roadmap, it is impossible to really get there. You don't just get up one day and tell your family, hey, let's go to Dubai, let's go to Zimbabwe, let's go to Texas, let's go to Florida. No, you plan, you figure out all of the beautiful things that you're going to do. You strategically say, hey, the children may like this. We're going to stay in this particular hotel. You have a well-written roadmap because you want the experience to be something memorable. You don't want it to be chaos. And that's the same way with our business. We need a written plan that's going to help walk our vision out, walk our mission out in our lives. And you know what? I had a well-written business plan with my first business, and I didn't have to look for one investor. I promise. I didn't have to look for one stakeholder. I promise, because I wrote the vision. I made it plain. And you know what? I talked about it in my marketing strategies every single day. Everything that I did, I knew the ideal. I knew where I wanted my business to go. I knew what my students need, and I was super excited to walk that business plan out every single day. So let me slow down. This is what I want you to do. Again, I am so glad, and so humbled that you are reading every email. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. But there's a blue link. If you are confused about your next steps, where you're supposed to go, or you have a mastermind idea, many of us do, I want you to click that blue link that says complimentary anchor call, and I want you to schedule a call with me so I can help you walk it out. And guess what? If it doesn't work out or it's not your season, it's okay. Still stay on my email list. I just won't send those things to you. But guess what? You can always stay connected with me. And again, I'm Valerie Tatum, and I'm super excited that you have joined the Mastermind